Are you the person who wants to invest in stock markets but actually afraid to invest due to various reasons or sayings? So let's discuss about the benefits of investing in stock markets. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the AVL Investments and Solutions. Today we are going to discuss about some of the benefits of investing in stock markets. Before starting the video of the day, I would request all my viewers to subscribe my channel. And if you want to open your Demat cum trading account, then check the description box and open your account within a few minutes, hassle free and without any paperwork and at free of cost. Now let's start the video of the day. The first benefit of investing in stock markets is that we get better returns than any other kind of investment. Let's say we invest in FD, in which we get a maximum rate of return of 8% per annum only. And in property, we need to invest a very good amount, that is in lakhs. Then only we will be able to generate 20 to 30% rate of return per annum. And same is the case with the gold. But when we invest in stock markets, even in stocks with a very stable growth, then also we get the good returns, or we can say a minimum of 5 to 10% of return monthly with respect to movement of prices only. And the other things that we get while investing in stocks is different. So the next benefit is that the whole process of investing remains with you only. That means it remains confidential. No other person will be able to access it until and unless you allow him or her. And it's not that this process is too complicated and very difficult to understand. You just have to click on the given link and upload your documents on the recognized portal, and your account will be activated within a few hours. And then you have to log in with your ID and password and start investing or trading in working hours when the stock exchange is working. That means from 9 am to 3:30 pm. So this way investing or trading has become hassle free nowadays, as you can invest with just one click. The next benefit is that when you invest in stock markets, your money will not only be able to beat the cost of inflation, but also will grow with the time, as you are getting higher returns than the rate of inflation, as well as your money keeps growing with time. Earlier, people used to say that this market is very speculative, not regulated, and many people face losses. But now, it is more regulated, transparent in dealings, and no more a speculative market. If you invest in good stocks at the right prices and have patience and invest regularly. So, there is no hard and fast rule to invest a particular amount in stock markets. You can even start with rupees 100 only. So it is the benefit that you need not to collect a very big amount and then start investing to get good returns. It's totally upon you how much you want to invest and when to invest and in which stock to invest, unlike FDs, property, gold, etc. But one thing, while investing in stock markets, you are not only getting returns in the form of price movements, but also you are getting returns when a company distributes dividends, bonus, makes a buyback of shares, etc. And also you become the owner of the company in which you are investing. Sometimes it's a dream of yours that you want to become an owner of automobile sector. So, while investing in stocks, you can also become owner of the company in which you are actually interested. And the other thing is, you can encash your money at any point of time you want during the working hours. It doesn't take much time, so it also provides liquidity to your investments. Therefore, at the end, I would say it is always better to utilize your funds in a proper manner. The early you start investing, the early you start getting returns. So, there is a benefit of compounding of money. And if we talk about the risk taking, then I will say, do you know about tomorrow? Whether you will be alive or not, still we make efforts for study, work, money, etc. Then why can't we risk for investing in stock markets? So think out of the box and think big. Think more and take your decisions wisely. Your money has the potential to work for you. Let's utilize it. I hope you all will find this video useful, and if you have any queries, you can text me on Instagram or email me. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you want to open your Demat account, then check the description box. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.